So, buying your first kettlebell is probably the smartest decision you could ever make for your overall health and the wellness of your body. The kettlebell is a bang for your buck. And what I mean by that is you're going to be able to work every single muscle group in your body in a short amount of time. You don't have to have a lot of space, and you're gonna get cardiovascular endurance as well. So this piece of equipment is very versatile, and you can take it with you wherever you go, on a trip, wherever. And again, it's gonna hit everything you need to hit in a short amount of time. So, assuming that you're gonna do this on your knees, as I do, I'm gonna show you how to use this. Now, this is a 15-pound kettlebell right here, and I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see what's going on. But you want to keep two hands on the kettlebell. If you're doing two-handed swings, you can also do one. However, when I'm here, I want to keep the bell close to my body. And so if I'm going to do a swing, I need to tighten my core, my glutes, my legs, everything tight like a board. Okay? So when I do that, I'm going to keep my body tight, and I'm going to swing the bell forward, keeping my body as tight as I possibly can. Okay? So I'm just going to swing this like so, and this is your kettlebell swing. Okay? So one more time. Swing like so. Relax your arms. Okay? And just keep your body tight. Relax your arms. It's really your hips, glutes, core, and your body that brings the bell up like so. That is the swing. You can also take it and do a squat like so, and just lift. Okay? So, for you, ideally, I would like you to start out with 3 sets of 10 to 12 swings every day, and then maybe do 3 sets of 5 to 10 kettlebell squats. Alright, let me know how that works for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help.